The purpose of a landfill is within the meaning of the word landfill. It's where a piece of land is maybe purchased by the authorities or purchased by a waste operator with the intention to store waste. Waste is being spread on the first layer. You spread your waste, cover it with either sand or clay. Cover. Only on the second layer, there you start compacting. You use your big machine, you push and you compact. The reason why you don't push with a big machine on the first layer is to prevent causing the damage of the liners underneath of itself. Yeah. So a landfill itself is just an area, a designated area, licensed area where waste is being stored, compacted and stored.
Is there enough space in South Africa for the waste, the 2,000 tons that comes in every day? Is there, just at this one place, is there enough space in South Africa for waste disposal?
You see, with the growing trend of the population, it would appear that there's not enough. The government or whoever, the authorities, puts end user tax on whatever you generate, like plastic, like bottle. You'll see there will be very much less generated force. They will reduce their generated force. At the end of the day, but I have to pay for every can that he produces, or for every plastic bottle that he produces. So which means, for him, the best solution then for him is to ensure that the plastic bottle, the one that I generate, circulates more often, or at least 2 or 3 times before it uses end user space, because then they'll only pay this once it ends up at the landfill.
And on the other side, they could impose a tax deduction for people that do it effectively.
That's correct. So you've got to give some. This is the way by means we deal with it. If you transgress, but if you do right, this is how we reward you. That's correct. Starting in our schools, make it part of the curriculum. But in the next 10 years, the 6 and 7 year olds are going to be the next adults. So then it's been cemented in there. We need to use one bottle of water, or we can rinse that one bottle we can rinse and reuse again, or that one piece of plastic that we can reuse. Instead of generating liters more plastic, generating more bottles. So education plays a vital, and it's the important role. But all of the the legislation is good. But how do we enforce the legislation?